What is cracking, everybody? Today is Wednesday, hump day, November 3rd. Welcome to November. Wait, is it Wednesday? Yeah. No, I just lost track of time. Wednesday, November 3rd, right? No, November 4th. What the fuck? It is the 3rd. Jeez. Okay. Anyway, welcome to November 3rd, Wednesday, 2021. Back at it in the field of dreams, with another killer Tabata workout. Oh, it's a killer one today too, because we got some killer arm pulls with the plates. So plate pulls like this, and then we're gonna put the strap around the whatever this is called, chest area, and we're gonna run with plates. So we got pulls and drags, but more like a drag run. You want to call it that, but whatever. Then we also got a 30-pound dumbbell, which we're going to basically take and launch, almost like like we did with the balls, the medicine balls, but we're going to do it this time with the dumbbells. So left side, right side, and then just overhead for an ab exercise. So anyway, that's what we got today, with some other things mixed in, of course, as always. So don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment, turn post notifications on, do all those fun things, and let's get started, shall we? Go. First thing we got is going to be jumping jacks. Then we're going to jump on that plate. So jumping jacks and jump on the plate. So get here in the middle. Jumping jacks. There we go. Oh yeah, come on. It's hot out here today. It's sunny, as you can see. Bright. Not a bad day. Great day to be outside. Let's get it going. Oh yeah. Whew. Brutal. Put back here. Next thing is steel jacks. Open, close. That's it. Hair is blowing everywhere. Keep your core tight. Day 3 of the fast, by the way. Cranking it out. Man, that sun is blazing in my face. All right, dumbbell side toss. So never done before, but we're gonna do it. So we're just gonna do one side at a time. So grab it, and we're gonna do left side. Launch it. Pick it up, swing it, and launch it. One more. All right, let's get the other side now. Next we got dumbbell overhead throws. So we can take it any way you want. Let's hold it this way for first round. Down and just launch it. Nice. Pick it up. One more, come on. star jacks and back to the plates. Oh shit, I forgot something. Forgot the dumbbell core twist. After the plates, I jumped right into something else. So after this, we're gonna jump on the dumbbell core twist. So catch up from that last one. Let's get on it right here. Dumbbell core twist. This is what we should have done last time, but we skipped it. So get a little C curve, which means you kind of lean back a little bit, kind of bend into it. Get a little speed here. All the way around, all the way. All right, now back to the plate pull. We should be back on track. Get it together here. All those legs, everything you got right here. Winded. All right, now, last but not least, dumbbell core. So we're going knee crunch, side to side with the dumbbell. So crunch it, crunch it, crunch it. That's it. Up, up, up. Brutal job. First round, down, out of breath. Love it though. Get yourself some water. Just filled this bad boy up with some ice. Nice and cold. So that's our one round. 2 more to go. Out in the field, get shredded. Where am I at? Is he shredded yet? All you can do is hope for the best here. Squeeze it. He's looking shredded. Triceps are looking shredded. Anyway, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment, turn post notifications on. Neil the grinding wheel on a Wednesday in the field. Plate grinder. Peace.